insecurity is one of the most common and frequent causes of jealousy that I have seen in my clinical work as a clinical psychologist. This sense of insecurity can cause a person to try to over control things in their life because they feel so insecure about it. So, for example, someone may be in a romantic relationship and get very jealous of the idea that their partner may be interested in someone else. There is an underlying insecurity that they are not enough to keep their partner interested, that they are not appealing enough, attractive enough, valuable enough to keep their partner interested. One term that you may have heard when it comes to insecurity or feeling insecure is this term inferiority complex. Now, that's actually not a term that exists in the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual. That's really not a term that we use today. But the point is that there is this underlying feeling of inferiority, of not being good enough, that can underlie that insecurity, that can cause a person to feel really jealous. One point that I want to make about insecurity, I think, is extremely important, and one that doesn't necessarily make sense unless we look at it more closely. And that's that insecurity is not absolute. So a person who can be insecure is not necessarily insecure in every single part of their life. So, for example, you may have a man who feels extremely secure in his work life, and yet in his romantic relationship, he may feel extremely insecure.